chimwe chezvinhu zviri very very dangerous kudanana nemunhu asina chinhu chekuluza kana kuti chaanozorasirwa nacho kana nyaya yerudo kana kuti nyaya dzerudo dzichinge dzasvika pamharadzano. Makadi amani shamwari tikudai kusangana pano pasekuru Good Picture TV. Yes, it has been such a long time. Ndakazomboti zinda kurwara neshuga, but I managed to put it under control, and now I am back again. Nema videos edu, yes, of course the channel was almost dying because there was no engagement and no post, so panga pakaipa guys. So I'm still trying kuti channel yedu imuke kubva kuvafi. I hope kuti you are going to subscribe if you are visiting my channel for the first time, or you are going to share these videos and like them as well. Anyway, back to business. Kuna nyaya yange ichinetsa kana nyaya iri kunetsa ya Apostole Chiwenga, and I hope everybody knows what happened with Apostole Chiwenga. Vakasiyana nemudzimai. Then Apostole Chiwenga went on to explain why vakasiyana blah 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 blah. Takasiyana nekuti mudzimai anga atumwa nevanhu vanoita zvepolitics and all that stuff. I think you can check the video randaba mukuposta previously. You can get to see kuti andanga andichitaura kuti kudi iwa Apostole Chiwenga wanga achitaura vega nemuromo wavo. So anyway, out of everything zvaitika so far about Apostole Chiwenga, I have learned something. And nyaya Apostole Chiwenga ndo akunoifananidza nenyaya ya amai Jeremiah. Who remembers amai Jeremiah? A woman, a socialite who claimed that he was raped a few months ago. Amai Jeremiah went on to accuse two men from Harare, accusing them kubata chibharo and all that stuff, having sex without consent. So it ended up nyaya yazoenda kuma courts, and amai Jeremiah lost the case. So now we have this nyaya ya Apostole Chiwenga. Then we see musikana uyoyo wekwachenda mbuya achiuya achitaura kuti ndakadana Apostole Chiwenga vakandivimbisa marriage asi vakazondirasisa. I don't know what is her intention yekuenda pa Ollah podcast. So achino expose Apostole Chiwenga nezvenyaya ingori normal inoitika yange iri kuitika for so many years before even we were born. Vanhu vaidanana vachirambana, marelationships achifaila, mapromises emarriage achitwa zvichifaila. Now I'm wondering, why did she went to the Ollah podcast show to expose Apostole Chiwenga nezve failed relationship? Inini I thought kuti she was raped. No, I did not hear any claims Emma rape or abuse. It's only a mere relationship which just failed. Ini ndakadana vanhu ndakapromisa marriage zvikatobhaja, ndikatopromiswa kutozorora nevamwe vasikanawo zvikatobhaja. There was no need to take nyaya yangu one social media platform yakakura kudaro ndonotaura nyaya idzi unless ndine ma-intentions ekuda kuderaila or ekuda kuita bring down whoever that person I was in a relationship with. So we can see in this case kuti this Chendambuya girl was on a mission of some sort. I am not sure whether she is going to be successful or not. I don't know. But I don't think that it was necessary. I don't think that it was necessary unless I am forces unless there are other people who are pushing with that agenda or to go for that agenda to expose Apostole Talent Chiwenga. So ndakunyatsopinda munyaya yangu yaita kuti ndigadzire this video. So nyaya yangu yaita kuti ndigadzire this video ndeye kudai izvi. I have noticed kuti these two cases yamai Jeremiah neApostole TF Chiwenga, macases ari kuitika mostly nekuti madzimai ari involved munyaya idzi have totally nothing. They have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. So this is why they have the guts to go and on these public social platforms and vonoburisa zvimadhende avo ipapo apo, dirty laundry avo, skeletons in their closets, which I don't think is necessary at all. Saka, you can see kuti what they are trying to do is they are trying to salvage something out of those encounters or escapades that failed a long time ago. Especially when it comes to following them likes, it is very, very dangerous as a man right now to get involved in a relationship nemunhu who doesn't have something to lose. Just a mere person who have nothing to lose. Look at yourself. You've built yourself an empire. You've built yourself a good, doing all sorts of things to make yourself or to put yourself on top of the food chain. Then poisonous. Then all of those achievements, efforts, and success will come down crumbling like a mountain, like a landslide. What do they call those snow slides? I don't know. Those slides of snow that just come down, rolling down the mountain, just because of, I don't know. Is it is it kusarongeka? Is it the type of our type or your type of woman or choices? I don't know what exactly to blame. But what I'm trying to say here, Kuti, these days you have to be very, very careful, because it might not end up just tarnishing your name, but you might also end up landing in jail, if not for a lifetime. We have seen this happening to R. Kelly. R. Kelly is in jail right now. We see this happening to P. Diddy. P. Diddy is in jail right now. We have seen this happening to all men of God, all men of integrity. We have seen this happening to this Nigerian pastor. A lot of Nigerian pastors, it happened to them. So in it, I cannot actually say that I blame the woman, but who I'm blaming is us men who make very, very bad choices and decisions when it comes to courtship, or when it comes to dating or choosing a partner to be in love with. You get what I'm saying? So this is what is happening now. These are the consequences of making a bad choice or a bad decision when you are getting into a relationship. Choosing a woman who has nothing to lose. This woman will go in lengths to destroy everything, to destroy the castle that you have built, to destroy your reputation, to ground and graze down your name that you have been building for so many years. And we are seeing it happening to all men of integrity around the world. Why are we choosing these types of women? Imagine. This is a failed court case, but she just wants to drag you down with her. I don't blame these women. I blame these men who are being dragged down because of the poor choices that they made when it comes to this thing of dating or courtship. This is what is costing a lot of men around the world. So guys, Dingindirarenya was all about warning you not to date, especially in these modern times. Women or even men who have nothing to lose. I was watching this movie, the Pretty Thing. A Pretty Thing or The Pretty Thing, I don't know. You can go and check it out. There was this woman, a CEO or somebody who was on top of the ranks, who was dating a broke waiter. And this waiter ended up, trying to ground everything for that woman, and that woman has to fight back. So I don't know if it's craziness or if it's what. I don't know those fantasies people have of trying to date or trying to uplift people. This is the reason why rich people go for rich people. Rich men go for rich girls, because they have the history. They know the history. It has been happening ever since we were born. That if you date a poor person will drag you down to the, down the drain, because that's where they belong. It's only a few people who are very loyal, who can stand with you, who know, and who knows the importance of dating somebody who is of high value. But most of them, they don't know how important, how you have struggled to build yourself. So guys, I just want to say, be very, very careful about dating these women who have nothing to lose, because at the end of the day, you are going to lose a lot. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will come up with more videos. I hope guys you are going to share this video and get 1 or 2 points that you can walk away with and try to straighten up your relationship stuff. Anyway guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. If it is your first time coming or watching me on this channel, please, I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the notification bell, and also put a thumbs up. I will be uploading almost every day because I am back on YouTube now. Thank you so much guys. Until we meet again, salute.